Hello everyone. Well, today is another awesome day because I got a package in from eBay again. Also on this little lock right here, I'm going to make a key for it out of this flat metal. I'm going to cut it and then I'm going to file it down and basically make a key for it. Because I looked at you need a flat key for these. Anything that's got any warding won't fit in that keyway. So I got some tin snips. I'll cut that down, and then I'll take it apart and do all that stuff. But for right now, let me open this package up. Every time I open one of these packages up on camera, I take the time to to cover out my address and everything. And then I wind up revealing my address with an invoice. So I'm going to pull everything out of here separately. A little Yale hiding in there. It wasn't even wrapped up. There we go. Let's unwrap everybody. These are all supposed to be Yale locks. Every one of these 4 Yale locks. And this one has a key. Cool, cool. That key just barely goes in there. This thing feels like it's aluminum or something. It's pretty lightweight. But I haven't had a Yale of that design. And then this is a little round body Yale. You don't want to go in. There we go. Little round body Yale. I think he's a wafer lock. Look at all that gunk in there. Alright, so we got that one. What is this guy? Let's see what he is. Whoa. I think this guy is possibly awarded. Ah, strange keyway. I think he's awarded lock. I'll find out. Alright, let's open up this guy. Key sticking out. Alright, this is a nice heavy one. It's a Yale 726. The Yale and Town Manufacturing Company. Hardened steel. So, this guy's very rusty. I'm going to give him a nice little vinegar bath. Look at that keyway. I don't know if that's a pin or what. Maybe it's a pin. Where's my key? I don't think this is an original key. It's been all, has no name or nothing on it. Same with this guy. Well, this one's made in USA and Yale, so this one's definitely the original key for it, for that guy. And one last Yale. Alright, a big, massive, old Yale. Huge and massive, and looks like a warded puppy. So, that means break out the warded set. I also have my original, this is my original warded pick here. Let me get this guy out. Well, actually, the first one was a paper clip, And this guy is he's pretty stiff. It was used on an acid brush. They had twisted, made a handle, and I just untwisted it. And let's see if I can get in here. Attack. First, I want to attack this guy. No, he's. Let me put this guy up because he's not reaching. And grab my. Where did my other keys go? Here they are. Alright, time to break out the old warded key set. And I'm going to try Mr. Single Double. Single Double. See how that guy works. I feel something. Tell me I broke it there. So I felt something. Felt something give. Maybe I'll try the little nub one. Although it's usually if that key weighs that wide, you're going to need the bigger one. So let me try the double. The double whammy. Nope. We'll have to go in there and with this little hook guy and try it. But let me first try this one more time. Usually warded locks, the actuator is at the very bottom or the last position up here, basically is what I'm trying to say. That's where your actuator usually is. Well, let me try my little individual pick thing. Man, I don't feel anything in there. Let me look at this. The flashlight. All right. Alrighty, let's get this guy in there. Let's see if we can't find the actuator. I may have to get that little flag. Little golf club looking guy. Well, I don't want to drag this out too long. I was hoping to get an opening on here. Who knows how long this guy's been shut. You can also buy keys off of eBay, the ones that are already cut, and try to find one that fits in here, and then just start filing off wardings until you get it to go. Well, I don't feel a mechanism in there. Uh-oh, I almost wedged something there. Kind of probing around looking for, trying to find a magic spot. See if this guy is, he's a keyway, so He's not going to be warded. And this guy, I think, is a wafer lock. Let me look at him again. Let me see. Trying that flag on him. Then I'll try this guy. Nope. I'm not even sure if this guy's a wafer lock or not. It doesn't look like a... It doesn't look like a pin tumbler. Man, look at all that gunk in there. See, there's no pins. It looks like there's one or two wards down there. But this key doesn't. Usually a warded key has cuts out on both sides. Huh. Right, well, I'm at 11 minutes, so basically just wanted to show you these, and I'll pick one in another video. I really want to get this guy open. Man, he's heavy. I mean, look at that one compared to this guy. He's massive. It's a big, massive lock there. Right, so there we go. I hope everyone's having a good time. As you can see, I'm going to be messing around with these things for a little bit until I figure them out. But there you go. I'm having fun. And this thing definitely needs to be cleaned up. Look at that, how pretty it's going to look when it gets cleaned. It's pretty dirty right now. Well, there you go. That's all I've got for right now. I'll try to do another video when I get one of them open.